Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's Friday about 8:20 a.m. It's June 4th, and we're looking at a nice little gap up here pre-market, but then a sell-off after we hit the 111 mark in the S&P 500 ETF. Nice little notable test of this 111 again, which has been a considerable amount of resistance, and now we're selling off pretty hard into this jobs data. We'll have to see what happens with that, but lower swing lows, lower swing highs, just at the very bottom here at the 109.80 area. You can see that there's a double bottom, and now we're kind of bouncing our way back up through and hovering around 110. So right now, pre-market, things are looking just a little bit weaker than where we closed yesterday. Zoom out to a time frame, and you can see that that is basically a double bottom from yesterday's low. So after a beautiful 100% retracement of yesterday's sell-off, holding up in a consolidation, we're looking for this to hold now, and still are, between the 109.70 and 111 area. If we get that, that could be a really good way to start working our way past this 111 mark, which has been so notable as resistance. It's also pretty good support here where we are right now, and so we'll have to see what happens with this economic data coming out. On a higher time frame, zoom out here, this is still just a test of the 200 MA, which we already know is giving us some trouble, not just once, but twice and 3 times here. And a break of that could yield a nice move to the 112 mark. If we do head south, looking at some intraday support levels, I'll zoom into a 15-minute chart here. A little all scrunched up, no problem. But 109.50, 109 area of support, also 108 and 107 and change. So again, these half round numbers and round numbers still acting well. They don't always do that, but in this scenario, things are doing pretty well. So good stuff. Make sure you have the tick and trend and VIX in your camp before you go too long or short here. Look for some tradable setups in the face of the relative strength and weakness that you're seeing in your individual stocks compared to the broad market work, and trade well. Hope you have a good time this morning, and I'll be with you around noon to see how things are shaping up.